At CNBC, you're celebrating 25 years of being in the field of financial literacy, financial information. I want to ask you, do you have the memory of what you were doing 25 years ago? And also combined to that, how does it feel to be the entertainer of the year with the kind of work that you've been doing, entertaining all of us so nicely?
First, let's talk about this. I am extremely thrilled to receive this award today at the CNBC. Thank you, CNBC TV 18, for this award. It's truly inspiring, because I always follow my heart. I have never tried to chase the herd mentality, as you must have seen. I have tried to make my own path and believe in work where I could challenge myself, where I could push my boundaries to explore unique stories, challenging characters. And that's what I think. That's what has been paying, and that's the reason I get awards like these. So it's truly inspiring. Thank you once again. And yeah, what I was doing 25 years back. I was 15, so I must be in class 9th, I guess. I must be doing nothing. I'm sure I was just outside with my friends, just roaming around, doing nothing, just doing the kids thing.
Absolutely. I mean, you spoke about pushing yourself hard, pushing the boundaries, and that's what we have when you do something like that, the person that we have in front of us. I want to ask you, 2024, been amazing year. You've given some amazing films. We've thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. 2025, what is there in store for us when it comes to Rajkumar as an actor?
Some exciting films for sure. There is one film with Maddox. So after Stree 2, we are coming back together again. It's called Bhool Chuk Maaf. That will be releasing first. Then I am also trying to explore the action genre. So I'm doing a film called Malik, where it's very raw, very gritty action, but with a lot of emotional and depth and a lot of drama. So very excited for that as well. And then there's something that is also there.
I was just waiting for the last one there.
I just thought, no, maybe not.
No, we'll wait for all the work that comes through. I want to ask you something. I mean, you've done some very, very different genres so far. Is there something that you have your eyes set on in terms of a different genre that you want to do and you're just waiting for the right film, right script? What would that be?
No, honestly, I'm not really looking at one particular genre, but as an audience, I would say, because I grew up watching Shah Rukh sir and his films, I am somewhere missing the romance, in a story, like pure, that true romance, like films like DDLJ or Maine Pyar Kiya, films like these. So I'm somewhere missing that kind of romance, and so I wish, as an audience, I would love to see that again, and also if somebody can come up with a great story, I would love to do that as well.
Okay. One final question as we conclude this interaction. Since we are a business channel, I would say that it is important to make money, but it is important to grow that money as well through investment.
Money should make money.
Absolutely.
That's what I've been told here.
What is your money mantra? How do you invest? Do you invest in stock markets? What's your ideal form of investment that you've been following?
No, I've been pretty stupid because I started pretty late in life. Patro Lekha's dad, he was a CA, and he kept telling us, you guys are not investing. Listen to me, invest in stocks, invest in mutual funds. So we started pretty late. But yeah, we are a huge believer in investing, and now all our focus is on that. We don't really, indulge in things that we should not. Otherwise, we invest in we have this beautiful house, so we invested there. But apart from that, we have stopped just wasting our money on stupid things because it's very important. I think financial literacy is so important in our country, and I just hope people realize that how your money can actually make money. Yeah.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. All the best for everything that is lined up. You look lovely and keep entertaining us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC TV 18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.